Oh, you guys, I'm very excited to be here with you once again. Wait a bit. Before you scroll away, did you know that people just like you and me are turning something called Nano Banana into real money online? You know, it sounds funny. Yes, you had me right. Not crypto that needs millions of money, not Forex that needs deep knowledge, but Nano Banana, a simple tool you can use with just your smartphone. And today, I'm going to show you the 3 powerful ways you can start making money online with Nano Banana. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Stick around here because by the end of this video, you will realize you don't need to have a big budget to start earning. You only need your phone and consistency. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is your Lady Christina that says I will not hold the smartphone and beg for bread. Today, I'm going to give you the 3 ways to make money online with Nano Banana. This is a new platform that is trending and it can give you passive income. To our new subscribers, I love you so much. Let's learn and go and practice. And you who has been an engager, thank you very much. You are just a blessing. Let me bless you back. This is a disclaimer. This video is purposely for education purposes and it is entertaining, you can see. So what you need to do, I want you to pick up your phone and books, go and read and research. We give you 10%, 90%. If you find it can work for you, you use it. If it can't, you can't hold, you just leave it. So let's dive in and see the 3 powerful ways to make money online with this Nano Banana. In our previous video, I showed you what Nano Banana is. I told you what other platform like Google AI Studio is. Now let's see exactly how do we do it. The first thing first is, what is Nano Banana? Nano Banana is a lightweight blockchain-based token designed for micro transactions. That means it allows you to send and receive money instantly with almost no fees. It's called Nano Banana because it's a prayerful version of Nano. But the beauty is that it's easier to use for online earning. Think of it as digital currency, but way simpler, faster, and even fun. So instead of just scrolling TikTok, Facebook, or WhatsApp, you can actually integrate Nano Banana into activities you are already doing online and get paid. How do you get paid? This is how we want to know. The first way to get paid is to use faucets and airdrops. This is the first way of earning money, the faucet and airdrops. You know, my way of speaking it is FAUCETS and airdrops. This is one of the easiest entry points. The faucets are websites or apps that give you free Nano Banana just for performing small actions like solving patches, clicking links, or simply blogging in daily. Airdrops, on the other hand, are giveaways by projects that want you to promote Nano Banana. So, for example, if you sign up on this platform, you spend 5 to 10 minutes a day, and little by little, you collect Nano Banana. The value might look small at first, but remember, you are getting it for free. And over time, it adds up. It's like planting tiny seeds of income daily. The second way is freelancing and micro tasks. When you have Nano Banana, you can do micro tasks. Freelancing and micro tasks are so simple. We've been checking on them several times. This is where things get exciting. Imagine offering small online services like graphic designs, video editing, writing, or even just simple tasks like data entry or social media sharing. And instead of waiting for long bank transfers, you get paid instantly in Nano Banana. Why is this powerful? It's powerful because unlike PayPal or traditional payments that takes days or they have high fees, Nano Banana transactions are instant and cost almost nothing. Let me give you an example on this on microtask. If you complete a quick gig on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Alternatives, even others, or even Telegram, Discord communities are, the client sends you Nano Banana instantly. You can cash it out or hold it for future growth. The third way, last but not least, you guys, it can help you in trading and staking. Now, if you love a little risk and reward, this is for you. Nano Banana can be traded in different ways. It especially in exchanges, meaning that you can buy low, you sell high, and make profit. Some platforms also, they allow staking, when while others, they will also make you, like, if you lock your Nano Banana, you can earn passive income just by holding it. Imagine you collected free Nano Banana from Faucet, and instead of spending it, you hold it. If the value goes up by 20%, 30%, even 50%, you instantly multiply your earnings. That's how people grow small coins into real money. I made some mistakes before with Ethereum and Bitcoin, but now I can never make such again mistakes. So let's wrap it up like this. The 3 ways you can start making money online with Nano Banana. One is Fortas, and this word, Faucets. Faucets is always hard for me to say it. And airdrops, these are free and easy. Then freelancing and microtasking, this one you get paid instantly for your skills. Then trading and staking, this one you grow your earnings over time. The key is consistency. This is a pro tip only. Don't just try it for one day and give up. Build the habit, learn the platform, and stay consistent. If this video, guys, if you've watched up to here and you've not yet liked, you've not yet asked in the comment section, I don't know why. So what you do, I need you to go and ask us and write a comment in a comment section. And on this, you can go ahead and even talk something about Nano Banana if you know it. If you don't know it, try to ask. Then we come back to you. But don't forget to share this, and don't forget to subscribe and start to